Within this video, we're going to be looking at how to answer some GCSE crossover style questions. So it's a non-calculator paper. What I suggest you do, answer the question yourself. So pause the video, try and answer it yourself, and then I'm going to go through and model the answer for you. So the first question here, Emma has 45 rabbits. 30 of them are male. Highlight that. 8 of the female rabbits have short hair. 12 of the rabbits with long hair are male. Use this information to complete the two-way table. So, if 30 of the rabbits are male, I know that male is this column here. So the overall total in there is 30. 8 of the female rabbits have short hair. So female short hair is 8. 12 of the rabbits with long hair are male. So I've got long hair and male, which is 12. It also says she has 45 rabbits, so I know that the overall total is 45. So those are the key information that I can get from the question. I now need to start working out the rest. So this box here, okay, male short hair, well, if there's 30 males altogether, 12 have long hair. To work out the short hair, I'm going to do 30 minus 12, which is 18. To work out the total of short hair, I'm going to do 18 add 8. Which is 26. And then I'm going to have to think about what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to work out this total here, the total of females. There's 30 males and 45 altogether. So to get the total females, I'm going to do 45 minus 30, which is 15. And then to work out female long hair, I'm going to do 15 minus 8, 7, because those two must total, this one and this one, must total the 15. Total of long hair is 19. Okay, and the way I'm going to check this is by doing 19 add 26 and checking that that's equal to 45. So 9 add 6 is 15, 2, 3, yeah, 45, brilliant. So I can check that that one's correct. Let's look at the second part of that question. One of Emma's rabbits is chosen at random. Work out the probability. So probability, I'm likely to put it in a fraction in this case, that the rabbit is a female with short hair. So overall here I've got how many female rabbits have short hair? 8. If one of the rabbits is chosen at random, that's out of every single rabbit. So I've got 8 out of a total of 45. Now the question's not asking me to simplify, so I'm going to leave it there. Okay, second question. So again, pause the video and give this one a go. So there are only red, yellow and orange buttons in a jar. The number of red to the number of yellow to the number of orange is the ratio 7 to 4 to 9. Work out the percentage of the buttons that are orange. So if I've got red, yellow and orange in the ratio 7 to 4 to 9. Now, I want a percentage of orange, but first I can actually write the number of orange as a fraction. So there's 9 orange out of a total of how many? So I'm going to add the parts together of my ratio. 7 add 4 is 11, add 9 is 20. So there's 20 parts altogether. So 9 parts out of a total of 20 are orange. I want that as a percentage. So percentages we know are out of 100. So to get from 20 to 100, I times by 5. So I'm also going to multiply the 9 by 5. 45 over 100, which is equal to 45%. Third question. So again, pause the video, read through this and give this one a go. So, Amy and Josh use a calculator to work this out. Amy's answer is 27.1115 and Josh's is 271.115. One of these answers is correct. Use approximations to find out which answer is correct. So I know that this is non-calculator. Approximations, it's the same as estimating. To work out an estimation, we round each number to one significant figure. So I've got 595 to one significant figure. Well, the first significant figure is this 5, which is in the hundreds column. So I'm rounding to the nearest 100. So that becomes 600. 4.08 squared. Well, if I round the 4.08 to one significant figure, my first significant figure is the 4, which is in the ones column. So 4 to the nearest whole number. So I've got 4 squared. And then 5.3 again becomes 5. So if I rewrite my calculation, I've got 600 divided by 4 squared plus 5. Now, 4 squared is 16. plus 5 is 21. So 600 divided by 21. Now again, I'm using approximations, that's quite difficult. So I'm going to change that to 600 divided by 20. So I've rounded that again to one significant figure. So when I'm doing 600 divided by 20, that's the same as 60 divided by 2, which is 30. So the answer that's closest is Amy's answer, 27.115. So Amy is correct in that case. So this question, we've got work out 2/5 plus a quarter. Now, I need a common denominator here. I can't add fractions or subtract fractions without a common denominator. So I've got 2/5 plus a quarter. Now to work out the denominator, I'm going to look for the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. So the lowest number that's in both my 4 and 5 times table. In this case, that's 20. Now, in order to get to the 20, I multiply 5 by 4. So I'd also have to multiply my numerator by 4 to keep the fraction equivalent. 2/5 is equivalent to 8 over 20. So I've just turned it to an equivalent fraction that's got 20 as a denominator. Now on the right hand side, to get from 4 to 20 I times by 5. So I'm going to have to do the same in my numerator. So an equivalent fraction to a quarter is 5 over 20. So I've now got the two equivalent fractions. I can add those together. 8/20 plus 5/20 is 13/20. Then part B, write down the value of 2 to the power of minus 3. So a negative power becomes the reciprocal of the number. So that's 1 over 2 cubed. So 2 to the power of minus 3, is equal to 1 over 2 cubed. Now, 2 cubed is 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2 again, so 8. So your answer to that is 1 over 8.